Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the form of smaller browsers in the Realme C55. So the first one is Firefox. Here, if you have this welcoming screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any tab opened before, tap on the taskbar icon, switch to Zero Mask and add a tab. The next one is Opera. Tap here on the tab icon, private, add a tab by the plus. The Microsoft Edge, exactly like before. And that's it. And the last one, Google Chrome, click here on the three-dot icon or arrow icon, choose New Incognito tab, and now in this mode your history, cookies files, the completed forms or even the words on the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.